Hello teacher, my animals video. Integrants. Jocelyn Anilema and Jessica Perez.
Dog description. Dogs have various resources to communicate. Barking, growling, and vocalization are the most frequent. The body posture and the movements in preference, especially with the tail expressed in smooth.
Ball description. The ball lives in the field. It feeds on grass, making it an herbivorous animal. It is ruminant. Its main characteristics are that it has a robust body that is covered in short hair. Its head is thick and it is with arms that can be dangerous.
Comparison sentence. The ball is a little more adorable than the ball is a lot more dangerous than the dog. The dog isn't as dangerous as the ball. The ball is much bigger than the dog.
The dog is much more domestic than the bull. The dog is not as strong as the bull. The bull is a little bigger than the dog. The dog is just as domestic as the bull.
Why are the animals dangerous? The dog isn't dangerous by nature, but the owner is the one who teaches him to be dangerous before society and can cause us a lot of deaths and even death.
The bull is dangerous by nature. It can attack us with its horns or its kid things. This can cause grapes and even deaths. Thank you, teacher.